Introducing Edinburgh's hippest student accommodation that's all about affordable luxury, the Gorgie. This contemporary residence boasts a range of en-suites and studios, all designed with your comfort in mind. With a spacious bed and large window, you'll get the best night's sleep ever. Need to study? The desks are decked out with drawers and overhead shelving to keep you organized and on track. If you need to freshen up, the private bathrooms are the perfect spot to pamper yourself. After a long day of lectures, head to the games room to unwind with friends or hit up the study area to hit the books with, of course, free high-speed Wi-Fi. With Edinburgh College campus and Edinburgh Napier University just a short 10-minute drive away, you'll never have to worry about being late for class. And when hunger strikes, you can grab a pizza from Pizza Plus or stock up on groceries at Tesco Market, both just a stone's throw away. Ready to start your next adventure in style? Book through amberstudent.com and let's make some unforgettable memories together.